The Flintshire Bridge is a cable-stayed bridge spanning the Dee estuary in North Wales. The bridge links Flint and Connors Quay to the shore north of the River Dee at the southern end of the Wirral Peninsula, the Leisure Peninsula. The bridge cost £55 million to construct. That's a lot of money, isn't it? This cost was met by the then Welsh Office. The bridge was officially opened in 1998 by Her Gracious Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. May God bless her and all who sail in her. It carries part of the A548 road and has been nicknamed the Bridge to Nowhere by locals. It is the largest asymmetric cable-stayed bridge in the whole of Britain. Oh.